Guys, it's Hogan here. Now, in this video, I want to talk about why does it take so long to make money online, right? No one really explained this to me, and I only started to really think about why, because a lot of people ask me like, how do you make money online? And and just through the comments, it feels like everyone wants it now and things like that. So I just wanted to make this video, just a quick video to sort of explain why you can't make money quick, right? It's very, very easy and very, very easy explanation. And once you watch it, you'll realize what you need to do and you can focus on that, and then you can make money a lot quicker rather than, running around chasing like the next big thing and things like that, right? So let's say if you want to do affiliate marketing, right? Affiliate marketing, I'm just going to call this AF, okay? AFM, right? And then we've got, okay, DS for drop shipping, and then maybe like ecom, let's just say YouTube, right? And then you've also got like, social media marketing, right? These are like probably the main categories that I see most of the time. But obviously there's other categories and it applies to any category, right? So if we think of each of these categories as a sport, right? This one can be basketball, this one could be tennis, this one could be like badminton, this one could be like maybe let's say Formula One, this one SMM could be like swimming, right? Think of each one as sport, and every single category that you're in, it has competition, right? So here is the competition, right? There's always competition for anything that you do. Like there's always going to be competition, especially in business, right? You can't go away, can't go around that. So here's the competition. Now, where are you, right? So if you're starting from down here, right, you're starting with zero, right? Zero knowledge of everything, right? To get started in each of these different categories, it's easy, right? Affiliate marketing, all you need is, maybe you don't even need anything really. You just need to be, creating content, right, around a certain product, around a certain topic. Maybe you need a camera, maybe you need a computer, but like you don't really need anything. Maybe you need a website, okay, things like that. Like it's not going to cost you like tens and tens of thousands of dollars. Same with drop shipping, same with e-commerce, a few $1,000s. YouTube, doesn't cost anything. Social media marketing doesn't cost you anything to get started, right? Everything is easy to get started. But within each of these categories, there is things that you need to do, right? Let's say if you want to start affiliate marketing, there's things that you need to do, which is like video editing. So that's one core skill, right? Another one is like maybe just like audio. Another one is like, let's say you've got, writing blog post and content, written content. And then you've also got, creating a website and also, maintaining a website and things like that. Each one of these are skills. So let's say if we take tennis as an example, right? Let's say we've got Roger Federer over here, and to win a competition, you need to learn a lot of different things. For example, you need to learn your backhand, you need to learn your forehand, you need to learn your serve, you need to learn your strategy, you need to get your diet right, you got to be fit. So each one of these are skills. So each one of these core sort of topics up here, you have to have skills. And when you're starting out with your zero skills, you can't create a product, you can't create something that's better than the competition. So if you can't create something that's better than the competition, then no one's going to be willing to pay for what you have to offer. So what you really need to do is you need to pick one thing, and you need to learn the skills required to beat your competition, create a better product than them. So you can't just have a website, right? You got to learn copywriting. You got to learn how to take care of your website. You got to learn how to secure your website. Each one of these little things really matter. You got to learn about Photoshop, about where to get your images from. And trust me, that takes a lot of time, a lot of trial and error to sort of learn and piece it together until you can create something better than your competition, right? So if you're just starting out with zero, you can't expect to make, $10,000 a month, $20,000, $30,000 a month really quickly. Like you might see like titles on YouTube, and most of that is because they want you to click into their video, right? And, when they make, let's say $1,000 a day, that is from years and years of experience. And then they can make, like $1,000 in one day or whatever it is, right? So it's just like saying like, Roger Federer saying like how to win a competition in 7 days, right? You might see that and you might think that, but it's not the case, right? But like I think with online business, everyone sort of is not focusing on the skills. You're focusing on jumping from sport to sport, and you're not trying to create something better than the competition, right? You're trying to make people buy something that's not better, right? So you have to create something that's better, focus on that. And you also, the not last thing that you have to focus on is you have to focus on developing yourself, right? Because if you don't develop yourself, like if you don't sharpen the sword to cut the tree, it's going to take 10 years to cut the tree, right? Like I think there's a quote saying like I'd rather spend 9 years sharpening my sword and then cut the tree in 1 year than like spend 10 years cutting the tree, right? And not cut it at all. So yeah, that's pretty much it for this video. I just thought it'd be like helpful to sort of help you guys piece it together, because I think no one really explains it like this. And anyways, if someone is explaining like that, they have an ulterior motive to get you to sign up to their thing or anything like that. But this video is just, I don't know.